My New Year snack strategy is all about incorporating foods that fuel your body to help you feel energized all day long. If you crave sweets at snack time but are trying to avoid refined sugars in the new year, I have just the thing for you. Natural Delights Medjool dates. They're a whole, fresh fruit that provide natural sweetness as well as 16 essential vitamins and minerals. And believe it or not, Medjool dates are actually super versatile. You can slice them and fold into a healthy oatmeal flaxseed cookie bite. Blend them into a blueberry date superfood smoothie, or one of my go-tos, stuff them with cheese and wrap them with arugula and prosciutto. What's cool is the fiber found in dates actually helps you stay fuller longer after eating. And they can help provide you with a boost of natural energy throughout the day, which is a win-win in this dietitian's book. Let's face it, we all need a little bit of crunch at snack time, and one of my personal favorites is wonderful pistachios. They're one of the highest protein snack nuts. Each serving provides you with 6 grams of complete plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber. Plus, 90% of the fat found in pistachios is that better for you monounsaturated fat. So you get a trio of nutrients that helps keep you fuller longer. And what's even better is there is a wonderful pistachio flavor for every snack craving. Their newest flavors, sea salt and vinegar and barbecue, are the ultimate addition to a snack board with Medjool dates, cheese, and veggies. The honey roasted pistachios make a mouth-watering sweet and salty trail mix. And if you're looking for an energy bar to fuel all of 2022, start by pureeing Medjool dates with honey and flaxseed. Then add oats, some wonderful pistachios, coconut flakes, and dark chocolate chips. And voila! You have a snack bar that tastes good and is going to help you stay energized all day long.